Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gumroad affiliate marketing. To begin, you will need a Gumroad account. Once logged in, navigate to the Discover section to explore thousands of products. Look for items that align with your audience's interests. Many creators offer generous commission rates, often between 10 and 50%, providing a great opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products you genuinely believe in. Finding the right products is key to your success. On the Gumroad Discover page, you can filter by categories like digital art, software, or ebooks to narrow your search. Once you find a product you like, visit its page to see if the creator offers an affiliate program. If they do, you can usually apply directly through a link provided, often receiving approval within 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This link is crucial for tracking your sales, so share it strategically. Consider promoting products on your social media channels, through email newsletters, or by writing detailed reviews on your blog. Creating valuable content that highlights the product's benefits will encourage your audience to make a purchase through your link, maximizing your earning potential. Gumroad provides a comprehensive dashboard where you can track your affiliate performance, including clicks, conversions, and total earnings. This data is invaluable for understanding what strategies are working best. Payouts are processed weekly, every Friday, directly to your PayPal account, provided you meet the minimum threshold of $10. Regularly review your analytics to refine your approach and boost your affiliate income over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.